sọ wípé wàhálà èmi àti yín ò ní rí wàhálà ní rí dààmú lágbára lọ́wọ́ Elédùmarè. Ọ̀ṣíbálóyè ó fẹ́ tàn ká nírù mọ́lẹ̀ Ṣeun Ọ̀ṣíbálóyè tó wà ní Channel TV. Ẹnu mi kọ́ lẹ máa ti gbọ́ o, torí wípé kí ni ó fẹ́ tẹ Ṣèyí nírù mọ́lẹ̀.
And it's going to be majorly to Mr. President Bola Tinubu. 2 years are gone. Half of your constitutional mandate spent navigating the stormy waters of reform, resistance, and rising hardship. You came to office promising a renewed hope agenda, telling Nigerians that the pain would be temporary, like that of a childbirth, and that joy would follow. But 2 years in, the cries have grown perhaps louder, and many now wonder, when will the joy come? Inflation surged, food inflation went to an all-time height, transport costs were tripled, and the average Nigerian now spends more of their income just to eat, as if they are lucky. Petrol is hovering over 700 naira per litre, and electricity tariffs have risen even as supply is still very erratic. And yet, the Nigerian people, resilient, loyal, enduring, have held on. But holding on cannot be the national plan. You promised to lift millions out of poverty, create thousands of digital jobs in 24 months, and double power generation. These were not poetic aspirations. They were campaign commitments. Mr. President, time is not on your side. You have just 12 months before the political season begins to whisper again. If ever there was a time to show the fruits of sacrifice, it is now. You are the president of both your lovers and your loudest critics, the hopefuls who sang your name at the polls and the skeptics who prayed you will fail. But leadership demands maturity of mind and empathy of heart. You now preside over a fractured but hopeful nation. Good people, bad politics, and an ugly economy. Nigeria today is at a historic inflection point. Mismanage these opportunities, sir, and we risk descending into a cycle of unrest, disillusionment, and regret. But if you rise, Mr. President, to the moment, and you could become a defining leader, one whose name is etched in gold as a man who brought Nigeria back from the brink, you must ignore sycophants who clap in darkness while citizens cry in daylight. Mr. President, please urgently surround yourself with thinkers, doers, and patriots, not just loyalists. Every day must count. Every decision must deliver value. Because when a nation suffers this deeply, there is no luxury of time or ego. No more excuses. President Bola Tinubu, we in the media, we will do our own part. We will question, probe, inform, and hold you accountable, not out of hostility, but out of duty. The opposition must also rise, not just to criticize, but to push this country forward. Civil society organization must now organize, awaken consciences, and be the voice of the voiceless, and our people must now stop being docile. We need to raise a mass of active citizens who are willing to fight for their nation and also work hard for its good. Citizens, your voice counts. Don't lose it. And for those of us who believe and who are people of faith, we will pray, as scripture commands us, for the peace of the land and the success of its leaders. Because President Bola Tinubu, your success is Nigeria's success, and your failure will be our shared tragedy. Nigerians will rally behind you if they see sincerity, action, and result. But never forget, fury awaits any leader who mocks the pain of the poor. Sir, history is watching. Posterity is watching, and 200 million Nigerians are watching. Let this second half of your presidency be a turning point. Make us proud, President Bola Tinubu. Make Nigeria great. And that has to start now. That's my final word tonight, everyone. Many thanks for watching.
As I said, giving excuse, we met many challenges. Now, if there are no challenges, then you wouldn't need to come. Huh? If there are no challenges, you don't need to come. And you come in because you know that there are challenges. and then giving us excuse that you have many challenges, that's why you haven't achieved result. And then you still want to go. The first lesson I learned in my military training is never reinforce failure. What we have now is failure. Never you reinforce it. Never you reinforce failure. Let failure be failure. I'm gone.
They keep coming for my family.
My brother, Tinubu, you said they keep coming for your family.
They keep coming for Ashwaju, Bola, Ahmed, Tinubu.
You speak with the confidence of a man who has never known hunger, nor walked barefoot on the hot ground of reality. My fellow Nigerians, let us not blame the child who dances by the roadside. The drummer is often in the palace. Nigeria is not fighting your families. Nigeria is fighting for failure. My brother say, has it occurred to you that when the roof is leaking, the children inside must shout for help? So leadership is not a crown, it is a cross. We are not coming for your father. We are simply asking the tree that promised fruit to bear it. And if the harvest is empty, do not accuse the hungry of tearing too hard at the branches.
President in the history of Nigeria.
You call your father the greatest president in history of Nigeria, but the greatness of a leadership is not proclaimed in comfort. It is fed in the stomach of the hungry, in the pocket of jobless, and in the dreams of the that wither like a dry leaf in Hamatan. History does not wear abada, my brother Shay. It wears the scars of the people. History.
Ṣèyí Tinubu. Ariwo wo ló yẹ kán máa pa lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí sí? Èmi ò mọ̀ o. But ọ̀rọ̀ náà gẹ́gẹ́ bí mo ṣe máa ń sọ wípé a ní láti òkè láti òkè kó wálẹ̀ kóníkálukú ṣe kíni, kóníkálukú ṣe báyìí. Ó ti fẹ́ẹ̀ débẹ̀. Àwọn Biafra lọ́tùn lósì ló ń ká wọn lọ́wọ́ kò. Àwa náà ò fi wálẹ̀ o. Wọn ò fi ọmọ Yorùbá sílẹ̀ o. Wọn ò fi wá sílẹ̀ torí nǹkan táwọn dẹ̀ fẹ́ jẹ ni o. Torí nǹkan táwọn fẹ́ jẹ gbogbo wa lámọ̀ yẹn. Wọn ò fi gbà kankan, wọn ò fi wá lọ́rùn sílẹ̀. Ìyá bàbá mi, ẹ̀gbọ́n mi àtàbúrò mi. Eléyìí thick ó lè kú. Eléyìí tí mo máa gbé wá yìí sìn lè máa fi mọ̀ wípé oh my God. Ẹ má ti jẹ́ ká kọ́kọ́ lọ sí nǹkan bí wípé nǹkan tó yẹ kán máa ṣe nìyẹn sìn. Tó bá ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní ṣe báyìí, ẹ jẹ́ ká kọ́kọ́ wo nǹkan tí brother yìí ṣe.
Solo protest. I don't come with crowd. I don't come with anybody. This afternoon, 2 persons were killed in Abraka.
Stop
You
that.
cannot stop. You cannot stop.
That's,
You can't be scared of
it's
camera.
not.
I want to see. Yes, I want to see. This is our government house. We are going to see government. Nothing is being done about it. People are killing daily. They said they gave 30 healers. I want to see the governor. No, I'm on the solo protest too. I can't see governor. My name is Pariwo. I can't see His Excellency Right Honorable Sheriff Oborewole. I can't see Right Honorable Sheriff Oborewole. My name is Harrison Wamishu. My name is Harrison Wamishu.
Don't push me.
Vidora.
Come. Use your gun.
Our state be this. This is our state. This security in Delta State. People are being kidnapped daily, and nothing is being happening.
Wait.
Nothing is happening. If you pay for it, you pay for it. If you break it, you pay for it. If you break the phone, you pay for it. I want to see His Excellency, the governor of Delta State.
Are we not Deltans? Are we not Deltans?
No.
Oga, are we not Deltans?
I want to see the governor.
You threatening to destroy my phone? This is a retired appointee. You don't.
Mr. Harrison.
When I was yesterday to the governor, I have reached out to him several times. I have messages on my WhatsApp to reach out to him to complain. I'm coming, sir. Yes. I was yesterday to the governor of civil societies. I have tried several times to reach out to him. No way to reach out to him to tell him what is going on. And I resigned I resigned. Said I will not be a governor or the pastor. So this governor, yes, he is aware. I resigned my appointment. I said I will not be appointed again. Since governor who appointed me cannot listen to me, why should I be an appointee of the government? So now let us come back to the community and fight for our people. And that's why I'm here today. To tell him about what's going on in Africa, other areas in Delta State. Operation Sweep was given 31 healers. They've never want to bring the bush to assist us. Then why did they healers? Give the healers to people who are doing the job. The vigilante, the kidnapping squad who are doing the job, the police. At Kidnapping Squad, these RRS at Kidnapping Squad, they don't have any single operational vehicle. They rent vehicle to go and operate. Is it right? They borrow vehicle, personal vehicle to go and attack kidnappers. Is it right? Fund the security, fund the vigilante, and then disband the operation sweep. You are not doing the work they ought to do. That's all. That's why I'm here today, and nothing else. I know they joke. That's me. I'm telling you the truth. So not just incite us to do it to their mind. Tomorrow we go block here. Tomorrow everywhere go they block, and nothing will happen. And they tell you the truth now. Go ask them. No, they put when they talk to me, they don't talk to me. No, they talk to me. Don't talk to me.
Why talk to? Why the video police?
No, but the driver person know they come from village. Abago is has been. Abago every day kidnap Abago. Every day Abago they kidnap Abago.
Mo rò pé ti rí. Mo gé àwọn ibì kan kúrò ńbẹ̀ ni. Àwọn òkú tó ti kú tán gbé sínú mọ́tò tán gbé wá bá governor ní governor office, governor house, whatever wọn. Bóyá kó máa ṣe fún wọn sìn nìyẹn, nǹkan tán nídìí sìn nìyẹn. Kò sí èèyàn kankan nínú igbó mọ́ o. Kò sí èèyàn kankan nínú igbó. I'm telling you, gbogbo àwọn ọmọ ogun wọn. Bóyá 50% ti forí mú, ó ti já. Ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ nǹkan tí lára wọn, ẹ jẹ́ ká gbọ́ nǹkan tó sọ.
Major General A.E. Abubakar, if you find this video, the reason why they drag you be say, you know they do well. When Fulani herdsmen, they threaten soldier for Plateau State, you hear the issue, they report the case to your table, you not do anything. When the people of Mango begin their attack soldier, when they attack us that very night, they think say we na armor. They don't know say we be special forces when they cancel waiting uncountable. You not do anything. When Fulani begin they attack villages upon villages, you they hear them, the case they enter your table, you not do anything. I look and say, this man, this GOC, wait to be in mission. The villages they cry say Fulani, they attack their village, they burn their houses. You now they do contract. You are a military personnel. Wait to concern military personnel concern project. When Fulani they destroy people, they burn people's house. You are busy building school for Fulani and boyhood for Fulani. Then the villagers the verse of us say army. They know they see you now the verse of you. Then they stone us. They know they stone you. Wait to concern army work, concern political work. We know as we don't rubbish the army. Why the insecurity not go finish for Nigeria? We not keep quiet. When the villagers they cry to our hearing, say Fulani they kill them, they burn their houses. Then you people are engaged in building school for inside bush for Fulani, building borehole for inside bush for Fulani. We go cut now you go stay for AC. I just they look you. You come down. The people of Jos, they cry say Fulani they kill them. Then you now they collect contract, they build borehole for Fulani, they build school for Fulani. How they go tell like soldiers? How they go tell like the army? But not be you now. What did they pay me? Not be you now that they rush. Not be you now that they stone. Not be you now that they cost. Now we, the laborers, we wanna don't talk to laborers. Now we, those people they stone. Now we, those people they cost. They know they cost you now. Now from there, I for hate you as an officer. How villagers go they complain of about Fulani problem, destroying their farm, killing them and burning them. Then una now come they collect contract. Now come they build school for Fulani for bush. Come they build water for Fulani for bush. And what una don't do? Una not build any rehabilitation center for the people of Jos where Fulani don't destroy their houses. But now they go about. Come they build boyhole for inside bush for Fulani. They build school for Fulani. Fulani they go school. I will stay one day. Now me when I dey here, now me enter that place. Now me with my boy, now we enter that bush. Go supervise people when they decorate that place. I see what you na right. say military civil project. What the concern now with military civil project? What the concern now with civil work? What the politicians supposed to contract when politicians supposed to do? Army general come to do them. Not be politics now, they use Nigeria to the place. So now where I for hate you and I go drag you out. Now me talking. Go check that list for inside Mangu local government. Now me, my name they there. Now me be the same person. When I create that problem, now me see they talk to you so. You are a bad leader. Major General A.E. Abubakar, you are a bad leader. You don't destroy Plateau State. Now, you don't enter Meduguri. They come make you the theater commander. Attack begin to happen here and there. Who are you? Major General A.E. Abubakar. You are a wicked officer. You people bad. You are not ready to make Nigeria good. Only way to know. Now to they go each place, they become commanding officer. Waka, they collect una money for pocket. Did you know how many property you get for Nigeria? How much is Sosara and how much is the entitlement? Your appointment, what you they get for there? You don't get house. And you, even your children, your wife, they are going to better school. Soldier.
Mo rò pé nǹkan tó sọ kẹ́ tún wá wo ibi tán tí ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá ti rí tàbí ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ti rí tẹ́lẹ̀ ibi tán ti mú àwọn sójà Nàìjíríà táwọn Boko Haram tó mú wọn lẹ́yọ wọ́n ti mú wọn lẹ́yọ kọ̀ọ̀kan wọ́n wá dè wọ́n lọ́wọ́ wọ́n wá ṣe fídíò wọn ó yẹ kí ojú kó máa ti anybody tó bá sọ wípé òun ni president Nàìjíríà lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ yìí kó fi nǹkan máa bojú ó yẹ kán fi nǹkan máa bojú bọ gbogbo àwọn tá a sọ ìṣán lójú tọ́ǹtì ṣáwọn ní ojú mo bèrè ni ṣán ní ojú tọ́ǹtì wọn lójú tọ́ǹtì kò sí èyí tó kàn wọ́n because kò kàn wọ́n kan tó wà nílẹ̀ yìí kò kàn wọ́n rárá àtìgbà wo lẹ ti ń sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ nígbà ayé Buhari ẹ sọ the same thing right thing a mọ̀ wípé ẹ̀yin náà irú post tẹ́yin wà position tẹ́ wà kọ́nà tó ka yín mọ́ you know what to say but you cannot say it àti Rufai gbogbo yín lẹ mọ̀ nǹkan tó yẹ kẹ́ sọ yàtọ̀ sí Dr. Abati ìyẹn ní ti olóṣèlú ni life and direct gbogbo ayé ló mọ̀ yín àwọn tó wà lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́ gan tó bá ń sọ̀rọ̀ tó ń tọwọ́ bọnú ọ̀rọ̀ gan ó máa tì mọ́ wọn lẹ́nu ni ẹ mọ owó tùdó yẹ kẹ́ mọ̀ wípé nǹkan yìí ò lè work ẹ lè wọ́ọ̀kì kò lè work Sowore gan tó kàn ń dára ẹ̀ láàmú kò lè work ṣé lójú ayé tá a wà nínú ẹ̀ yìí ṣó fẹ́ lọ dára ṣíṣe òun fẹ́ lọ darapọ̀ mọ́ àwọn àmì ni báwo lè fẹ́ ṣe ọ̀hún lè jẹ́ ó débẹ̀ ni àyàfi tọ́lọ́run bá lè gbà wá kó ṣe kinní yẹn fún wọn òun nìkan ló lè help situation tá a wà nínú ẹ̀ yìí àwọn people wọn ti kó handcuff ó ti wà lọ́wọ́ everybody I'm telling you that is the fact òótọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ ni kí wọ́n sọ àwọn people yẹn wọ́n kálá because wọ́n ti wá fẹ́ sọ bóyá bíi 60% ní north ń sìn láyé ìgbà Tinubu ń sìn wọ́n ti fẹ́ sọ di ọ̀dọ̀ àwọn Boko Haram ń gbalẹ̀ lọ ni wọ́n ń gba ilẹ̀ lọ tó ń gbalẹ̀ lọ ni ìyá mi bàbá mi ẹ̀gbọ́n mi àti àbúrò mi.
ये इसे है Dar tahu tangi tu dia le alko. Le alman ingat dia isi. video ko le almal le albo engat ini galwana bode alka Konga ka wala dondu nanggal ngal hajan dia gongal nangka Salam not lagi dokter. Ane mau sedikit. Ane asal kau yang mana dia? Kesawal. Oh sedia ya, so ada nak tadi lagi lo. Ini aku. Aku dokter sampai waktu tu masuk. Arum tu. Adi. Ali hey. Le engel katanya right had dulu tu. Ali. Le enggak ada balas sana? Enggak balas ah? Balas. Junggo. Iya. Itu dah kata ngaso ini. Iya kata pula nanti. De ahep ai vom hetan kat mak ko. Tuan ko jammi oso.
Ṣe rí àwọn àmì yẹn, ṣe rí nǹkan tó ń ṣe fún wọn, ṣe rí bọ́n ṣe mú àwọn àmì Nàìjíríà, ṣe rí bọ́n ṣe mú wọn because àwọn gan jẹun yó, ọ̀n lówó oṣù gbà dédé, ammunition kò fún wọn, wọ́n kàn dá wọn lọ́mọ sí oh God. Ó ń ṣọmọ olókùú bẹ́ẹ̀ ní sẹ́, a ní sí pẹ̀lú òkú ẹ̀, mímímímí yẹn ó mì láti òkè sẹ́, ó máa já. Lágbára lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run tó máa já báyìí ó máa wá di pín ere láàrin ikán ò gbọ́dọ̀ jù kan lọ torí pé bó ṣe wà tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ nìyẹn kó tó di wípé kó gbogbo wa papọ̀. Ojú ló ń kán mọ olè tó ń dájọ́ torí gbogbo àjọ tẹ́lẹ̀ àdúgbò bá dáná òun náà ló ṣì máa kó. Mo mọ̀ pé bó ṣe ń ṣe wá òun náà là ṣe lè sùn là ṣe lè wò. Wọ́n kò lè máa lọ báyìí torí kò lè níyànjú kò lè lójútùú kò lè lọ́ọ̀bì kankan. Ìyá mi bá mi gbọ́n mi àtàbúrò mi. Ẹ jẹ́ ká já ilé ìdúró síbí báyìí lọ́jọ́ títí òní so that kò ní sú wa kò ní rẹ̀ wá kò ní lè gùn jù. Èmi ọmọ yín olólùfẹ́ yín ni ayé ọpẹ́ yọ ṣé yọ lọ́dọ̀ sí iná ní agbára lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run. Ayé ọpẹ́ á máa yọ fún wa. Ẹ má gbàgbé láti bá wa like, ẹ má gbàgbé láti bá wa share náà. Ẹ dẹ̀ má gbàgbé láti fi comment tí yín náà sílẹ̀ kó náà wá ní nǹkan kan. Ojú wo lẹ fi wò lágbára lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run ojú òní ti wá. Èmi lẹ máa rí, ẹ̀yin náà la máa bá lágbára lọ́wọ́ Elédùmarè. Tó bá dẹ̀ jẹ́ nígbà àkọ́kọ́ ni ẹ má gbàgbé láti bá wa subscribe. God bless you. Ire o, ire kàǹkà. One love. Bye for now.
Kindly subscribe to YouTube channel and follow on Facebook page at Dr. Zabby's Talk Show.